Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create Google account. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Gmail application, and after that we can click on the profile icon on the top right, and here you have to scroll down and select the add another account. Right, and since we want to create Google account, we can choose Google and just wait for a moment. It's still loading. Okay, and here we can click on create account. Then you can choose for my personal use or for work or my business, and I'm going to create Google account for my personal use, so I'm gonna select this one, and here we have to input our first name. I'm just going to input like this, and for the last name as well, but this is optional, so you can skip it if you want. And after that you just need to click on next. Okay, and you have to enter your birthday and gender. I'm just going to pick random birthday. Wait guys, like this, and you have to input your gender. You can select female, male, rather not to say, or custom, and I'm going to select female. Then we can click on next. All right, and here you can choose your Gmail address. You can pick a Gmail address or create your own, and I'm just going to select the Google recommendation. I'm gonna go with this one, for example. Then we can click on next. Okay, then you can create a strong password. You have to create the password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, once you're done creating your password, you can click on next, and you can review your account info. Click on next. Okay, and this is the privacy and terms. You can read right here, and I'm just going to click on I agree. Okay, and now my Google account has been created. So this is the Google account I have just created with you guys. And if you want to open it, we just need to click on it. And this is my Google account. Okay guys, and that's how we can create new Google account. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.